In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a trading fee rebate voucher in Binance. If you're looking to make the most out of your trading experience on Binance, taking advantage of fee rebate vouchers can be a great way to reduce costs. In this short guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start saving money on your trades. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Binance.com and log into your account. It's essential to use your correct credentials here to ensure you access your profile securely. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard, where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select the option that says Rewards Hub. The Rewards Hub is the section where you'll find various vouchers and special offers that Binance provides to its users, especially those that can reduce trading fees. Once you're in the Rewards Hub, your next step is to locate the Reward Shop link. Click on this link to enter the area where you can explore different vouchers available to you. Here, you'll find various types of rebates and promotional offers arranged in a way that makes browsing easy. Take your time to familiarize yourself with what's available and, more importantly, what each voucher offers in terms of benefits. After taking a close look at the available vouchers, you want to focus on the rebate vouchers. These are the tickets that grant you a fee discount on specific trades. Keep an eye out for the ones that seem most beneficial to your trading patterns. Once you've identified the rebate voucher that suits your needs, it's time to claim it. To claim your desired voucher, all you have to do is click on the Claim button next to it. Some of these vouchers might be auto-applied to your account, meaning you won't have to do anything extra after claiming them. If auto-application is enabled, you'll see the rebate reflected in your transactions without further steps. It's that simple. Remember, using these rebate vouchers on your trades can give you notable savings, especially as trading fees can add up over time. Always keep an eye on the Rewards Hub because Binance frequently updates its offers, ensuring that you always have access to new discounts. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use a trading fee rebate voucher in Binance. Now you're set to make smarter, more cost-effective trades. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!